What is up guys, it's NPA here back with another LEGO video, and this time I presenting to you one of the most iconic LEGO pistol ever built in LEGO. So here we got the LEGO Glock 17. So the Glock 17 is a polymer frame semi-automatic 9mm self-defense pistol created by Gaston Glock back in the year of 1984. And this gun has been adopted by 48 other countries because of its reliability and has gone through some safety tests. So my LEGO model here represents the 9x19mm parabellum version of the Glock 17. So this LEGO gun featured a working slide, iron sights, a chamber that actually works. Doesn't mean work. It has that hole in there to represent the chamber of the gun. It has slits and cuts running down on the side of the gun. Exposed barrel. Doesn't have a guy rod though. Kinda sad. Slide lock actually works. Trigger guard, which is really sturdy. Got this double trigger mechanism right here, which represent the real look on the real Glock, just like this. Also, the handle is absolutely beautiful and absolutely comfortable. It is really comfortable, and I gotta say, one of my best grip ever. And as you can see, really little holes and gaps are seen on the grip, on the connection between the grip and the upper. And I gotta say, the grip is, well, really fabulous. Magazine, well, just like a typical magazine with an exposed bullet and locks in by friction with this G-slope piece right here. And in conclusion, this is, well, almost the best replica I've ever made. Well, just after the MP5, because this is a small gun, so I can't really fit too many features onto it. But well, I'm happy with this. So without further ado, we're gonna be testing this gun out.
This is the process of field stripping the gun. First you take out the magazine and take out this part, the slide from the gun along with the barrel, and then take out the trigger guard just like so. From now on, here's the part that you need to pay attention to. So you push the barrel out of the gun just like so and use it to kind of take out this part, and from now on the barrel is now separated from the slide just like so.
So overall, this is a really great gun. Really represent the look of the Glock 17, the Austria Glock 17. And yeah, I gotta say, this is a really great gun, and I might do a tutorial at 700 subs, so may as well hit that subscribe button.